Tesla vehicles require different maintenance than gasoline cars, focusing on tires, brakes, software, filters, and fluids. While Tesla discourages high voltage DIY work, basic tasks are manageable with the right tools and knowledge. Rising service costs and expanded DIY resources make this an attractive option for some owners. Let's get started with the basics. Tesla vehicles are heavier than traditional cars due to their battery packs, which puts extra stress on tires. This requires more frequent tire rotations to prevent uneven wear and maintain optimal handling. Rotate your tires every 10,000 miles to ensure even tread life and safety. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, efficiency, and battery life. Tesla recommends maintaining tire pressure between 40 to 45 psi. Check pressure monthly, especially before long drives, as underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and reduce range. Tesla's regenerative braking system significantly reduces wear on traditional brakes by converting kinetic energy back into battery power. However, brake pads and rotors still need inspection every 50,000 miles to ensure they remain in good condition. High-end Tesla models feature carbon ceramic brake rotors, which offer superior performance and last much longer than traditional steel brakes. These premium components provide better heat dissipation and reduced weight, contributing to improved vehicle dynamics and safety. Following these maintenance steps ensures your Tesla maintains optimal performance, safety, and efficiency. Regular tire care and brake inspections help preserve battery life and prevent costly repairs down the road. Cabin air filters should be replaced annually to maintain HVAC efficiency. These filters trap dust, pollen, and debris, ensuring clean air inside your Tesla. Battery coolant is a glycol-based fluid that needs to be checked every 4 years or 50,000 miles. This helps maintain optimal battery temperature and performance. However, never attempt to open the cooling system without proper training, as it involves high-voltage components. Topping up windshield washer fluid is a straightforward DIY task. Simply locate the reservoir under the hood and add the appropriate fluid when levels are low. This ensures clear visibility during drives. Regular maintenance checks on fluids and filters help prevent costly repairs and keep your Tesla running efficiently. Software updates are crucial for safety and performance in your Tesla vehicle. These updates ensure your car stays secure and operates at peak efficiency. Tesla delivers software updates through Wi-Fi or mobile data connections, making it convenient to keep your vehicle current. Always update your Tesla before performing any maintenance work to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. In late 2025, the V12.5 software update enhanced battery cooling diagnostics, which owners can monitor directly through the Tesla app. This improvement helps reduce the need for in-person service by allowing proactive monitoring. Safety is paramount when performing DIY maintenance on Tesla vehicles. High-voltage systems pose significant risks, so always avoid working on the battery pack or inverters without proper certification. Protect yourself by using insulated tools and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, and flame-resistant clothing to guard against electrical hazards. Before starting any maintenance, always disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery first to prevent accidental electrical issues and ensure your safety during the work. Essential tools for safe DIY maintenance include torque wrenches for precise fastening and jack stands to securely support the vehicle during lifts. For detailed guidance, Tesla provides free service manuals on their official website, which includes step-by-step instructions and safety protocols for various maintenance tasks. When performing DIY maintenance on your Tesla, it's crucial to source genuine parts to ensure compatibility and safety. Tesla launched Parts Direct in 2025, making it easier for owners to access authentic components directly from the manufacturer. Regarding warranties, proper DIY maintenance won't void your Tesla's coverage. However, if parts are mishandled or non-genuine components are used, it could lead to warranty claims being denied. Always follow Tesla's guidelines to protect your investment. To protect yourself, always document your DIY maintenance work. Keep records of what was done, when, and using what parts. This can serve as valuable proof if any warranty questions arise, demonstrating that you followed proper procedures. Many Tesla owners successfully perform DIY maintenance on basic components. For example, replacing the cabin air filter is a common task that saves money. Owners follow online tutorials and use genuine Tesla parts to ensure proper installation. Similarly, brake pad replacement is a straightforward DIY procedure for Tesla owners. By inspecting and replacing worn pads themselves, owners can avoid costly service visits while ensuring their vehicle's braking system remains reliable. On the other hand, attempting more complex maintenance tasks without adequate training can result in significant problems. For instance, topping up coolant in Tesla vehicles requires careful handling to avoid electrical issues or short circuits, which could lead to expensive repair bills. Fortunately, Tesla owners have access to valuable resources for guidance. Community forums such as Tesla Motors Club offer shared experiences and step-by-step advice, while expert opinions from automotive journalists and Tesla specialists help ensure DIY projects are completed safely and effectively. As Tesla vehicles evolve, future maintenance will become simpler with technologies like solid-state batteries. These batteries have fewer components requiring checks, and over-the-air updates will fix many issues remotely without needing physical access. Artificial intelligence in Tesla's diagnostic systems will revolutionize maintenance by predicting potential issues. Through the vehicle's app and onboard systems, owners will receive alerts about upcoming problems, allowing for timely DIY interventions or professional service. As electric vehicles become more common, regulations are likely to tighten around DIY work on high-voltage systems. This includes battery maintenance and electrical repairs, requiring certified technicians to prevent safety risks and ensure compliance with standards. Economic factors will keep DIY maintenance popular as owners seek to reduce service costs. However, professional technicians will still handle warranty-protected work and intricate repairs that demand advanced equipment and expertise.